some leftovers. So gonna peel the potatoes. When you peel them, put them in the cold water with lemon. That makes them from turning dark. And then I'm gonna put all the potatoes in a dish like this. And I have some leftover ribs. And I'll make it with some ribs and cheese. Let's do this. Okay, also just wanted to mention about my potatoes. This is golden potatoes, grown and packed in Burlington, Washington. And it's golden potatoes from Costco. I buy them at Costco. These are the only potatoes that I really love. Like some people like Idaho potatoes, but they're so white and I don't like them. I only like the gold ones. So we're done with potatoes, and I put them in this glass dish, which everyone probably has it in their house. And then I'm gonna put leftover. This is meat from the the ribs. My husband took all the bones off. So this is the meat. This is kind of what you do with the leftover stuff, basically. And I'm gonna use some butter, garlic butter. I'm gonna put 3 kinds of different cheese. This is Parmesan, Mexican cheese, and this is some different grape or something cheese. I don't remember. Also gonna use this kind of like garlic salt, garlic spread, paprika, whatever I have always in my so whatever I have in my cupboard I usually use. And then I'm gonna put garlic as well, which is like diced garlic, and then lemon pepper, paprika, garlic salt, garlic spread, and if you have like a chicken, some kind of chicken spices, you can put that too. Okay, now that I put all the meat on the potatoes, I also put, this is butter, garlic butter. So this is like pieces of garlic butter. It's not feta cheese, it's garlic. I just put them like that because in the oven it's all gonna dissolve. And then I put, as you can see, this is all garlic, which is minced garlic like this. And my hands are kind of clean too because I clean them like 100 times a day, even now more than that. Anyway, so lemon pepper, I just put every spice kind of on top because you don't really need it like all over, just on top. And especially like this garlic butter has like a lot of salt, so you don't need a lot of salt. It's gonna be already salty enough, but all the other spices I just put kind of on top. And then after I put all my spices, pretty much I cover it with foil and put it in the oven for, everybody has the different kind of oven. Like some people like to use 350 degrees, some people 380. I use it almost like 400, 395, 390, 395. And then it's probably gonna be like 45 minutes in the oven. And after that, I will take it out and put like the 3 cheeses that I have. Because then you could just take the foil off. Not this enough. I will do like this, kind of like this. So make all the spices go more in there too, as well as not just on the top. That's about it. Put it in the oven for 45 minutes for 390 degrees. Cover it with the foil. After that, after 45 minutes, if you see the potatoes are ready, you could just use the 3 cheeses and take the foil off and do like 10-15 minutes I'll just do the video on that too. I mean, I'll just show you later on as well how it looks when I take it out of the oven when it's gonna be there for 45 minutes. When I'll take it out, I'll just show you how I'm gonna put the cheese and everything and the finished product. Okay, my potatoes are covered with the foil now. And I'm gonna put them in the oven on the second rack. Even though my oven is not to the time yet, like it's supposed to be 390 degrees, but I just put them early. Okay, I took my potatoes out of the oven. They look good. Let me see. They're kind of cooked basically. See, this is good because when they're like fall apart, they're already ready. So what I want to do is to put cheese all over 3 of my cheeses, and then just put it in the oven and don't put the foil on top. Do not put the foil. That way all of this is going to be a little bit crunchy on the top. So yeah, this is how it is. And I'll show you how it looks at the end. And we're done. This is what you do when you have leftovers. Okay, took my potatoes out of the oven, sorry. They're still sizzling. See, put some on a plate. This is potatoes with leftover ribs. Looking good. Just some cheese on top. Doing this with one hand, so sorry. There you go. Looking pretty good. Probably tastes very good too. I'm gonna try some. So I had a taste of it. Tastes really, really good. And yummy. This is how it looks like. Finished product. Amazing potatoes with the leftover ribs. Pork ribs. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like.